Jacob, what are you eating?
Cake.
Cake.
Is it good?
Who was on the cake?
Thomas cake.
Thomas cake. And how old are you? How old are you?
I'm 2.
You're 2.
That's a good sentence.
Yes, you are. Is this your party? Mm-hmm. Yum. Is that good? Gabby has your Thomas?
Yeah! Gabby has Thomas cake.
Gabby has Thomas cake. That's right.
Toot.
Toot, toot, toot. Gotta get the balloons in there.
Where's Grandpa?
Got Thomas everything.
I don't know, I'm hiding in there, Thomas. I can't see.